Welcome to this Learning Java 9 Modular Programming by James Cross from Calibri Limited. So my name is James. I'm a certified AWS Solutions Architect. I've got more than 10 years experience of designing and implementing Java applications, and my speciality now is actually building serverless web services and big data applications, predominantly on the AWS cloud. So rest assured you're in good hands. I've got plenty of experience building Java apps, cloud apps, all of that fun stuff, and I'm going to be your guide throughout this course. So let's jump into the course overview and get an understanding of what we're going to cover in this course. So what are we going to learn? Well, first of all, we're going to extend our knowledge of object-oriented programming and learn some additional object-oriented programming concepts. Next, we're going to move on to dependency management and learn how to use Maven and Gradle to automatically manage our dependencies, before finally moving on to the meat and potatoes of the course, which is Project Jigsaw, something that's new for Java 9, and we're going to learn the importance of modular programming and how to do it. Just to call out from the beginning, some basic programming knowledge is assumed. I'm going to assume you have some understanding of the Java programming language and Java syntax, as well as some concepts or some understanding of the concepts around object-oriented design. So do keep that in mind. You're going to need some prior programming experience, and of course you're going to need a computer as well. In terms of the goals for the course, hopefully you're going to come away from watching this with an enhanced understanding for object-oriented programming. You're going to understand the need for dependency management, particularly in large projects. We're going to learn how to automatically manage dependencies in those projects. We're going to learn and understand the drivers behind Project Jigsaw, something that's new and exciting for Java 9, as well as to understand how to detect issues on your class path. And finally, we're going to finish off the course by building our first modular program using Java 9's Project Jigsaw. So that's everything. This really is your one-stop shop for building modular applications in Java 9, so please feel free to jump right into the content.